everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today it's a beauty day and we are going to check out what is in my Ipsy bag, or box actually, for the month of June. I used to do the $10 a month regular glam bags and I loved those. I had really good luck with those. And then when I started getting my Ipsy Plus bags, I accidentally canceled my regular $10 a month bags, and I haven't gotten those yet again, but I am planning on doing that because I loved those. I loved getting the sample size products because it introduced me to a lot of my favorite products that I have now. So my first box was last month. Here's my next box. With Ipsy Plus, you do get full-size products, which is really nice. And I did enjoy a lot of the products that I was sent last month, so I'm excited to dig in this month. I did look at the preview, and I'm so excited for the moisturizer that I'm going to get. So let's see. I haven't gone through yet the actual box. I just looked online when I was sent the preview. I did just cut open the tape. So you do get a little kind of what's in the box, get to know the products and things like that. It tells you the value. It tells you how to use them and kind of what they do for you. So I'll keep this right here in case we need it. So let's get in. So, ooh, there's actually glass all over, so I'm just gonna be a little bit careful. Oh no, the product that I was so excited to share or try shattered. So I'm gonna be really careful, but oh, there's a Sunday Riley. I'm not gonna even pick it up. It's like it shattered all over the box. So you know what, let me hang on 1 second because I don't want to get glass all over the place. I'm gonna see if I can show you the other products, and I'll be right back because I just don't want the glass to go all over the place. Hang on 1 second. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. I just didn't want the glass to get all over the place. There was tons of it, and I didn't want to cut myself, or if the dog happened to get into it, I wanted to make sure she didn't cut herself. So anyway, I was able to wipe the glass off the rest of the product, so I will show you the rest of them. I'm so bummed because the Sunday Riley cream, I was so excited to get. But anyway, let's talk about the other products because I'm sure they're great too. So let's see. The first thing I have here, I took everything out and I wiped because I wiped it all off. But this is by Pure. This is the Big Look mascara, and it says it has argan oil in it. So here's the packaging. And then let's look at the applicator, and then I will look at the sheet to tell you the value. Whoops. Nice applicator. So it looks like a pretty solid one. The bristles look pretty small, like short, but that's okay because I wonder if this is more for lengthening or volume. If you've tried this, let me know how you like it and what it does more, lengthen your lashes or give them volume. So this says the value is $21 and looks like it's buildable, so you can pile on as many coats without it clumping. So cool, very, very cool. So I'm excited to try this. Let me know if you've ever tried this. I've said this before, I love getting mascaras in my boxes. I love trying new ones, so cool that I always get one. All right, and then this says Tetris and Ipsy Block Party. Wait a minute, this must be a palette. How do I open this? Oh, just push it through, I guess. I'm struggling with this one, hang on. Oh, here we go. Oh, missed a little bit of glass. Okay, so here it is. Ooh, wow, some pretty colors. So here's the palette. It's gotta be an eyeshadow palette. Love the colors. See, I like the more neutral colors, but I'm gonna start having some fun and playing with some pretty eyeshadow colors. I just need to watch some more videos and learn how to do it because I'm not good at it at all. I'll admit that. So I've probably already admitted that to you guys. So this is, where is it? Okay, so it's a Block Party eyeshadow palette. So they've partnered with the video game Tetris to create a limited edition collection. So that's really cool. 6 eyeshadows. You can do subtle, smoky, bold. Cool. So the value is $24. Nice. All right. So I did that. Now I have this. This is by Trustique. This is for your lips, it looks like. A matte lip color crayon. This is interesting. So here is the lip color. That must be the color at the end. So let me see. Okay, so it's like a pencil. Here's the pencil. Here, I'll swatch it on my hand. Ooh, That feels really smooth. And look at the pretty color. That's totally a color for me. I love that. Love that. All right, let's see a little bit about this. So, Trustique Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Cream in Crayon and Belize, Bordeaux, and Grenache Balm. That's a long, the value is $25. So, oh, I missed a part. Okay. The back, how cute, has a little balm. So you can put that on top for a shiny look. Here, let me swatch that and see if we can actually see. No, there's no color to it, but that's really, really cool. So it looks like you would put this on first, and then you put the balm on to make it shiny. Oh, I love that. How cute is that 2-in-1? Really fun. All right, and then lastly, well, I'll talk about the Sunday Riley, but I can't show you that. So this is by Jen Clay, and it's the Ultra Violet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I love a good face mask. So here is the container. Let's see if I can open it. Hang on. Oh, here we go. Oh, there it is. Put that back on so I don't make a mess here. All right, and let's read a little bit about it. So this is, oh, it's valued at $39. Wow. So this is meant to, let's see what it's meant to do. Creates, hang on. Oh, so hydrate and help stimulate collagen growth and deep cleaning. So the aloe vera soothes, while Davidson plum, a superfruit that acts as a natural alpha hydroxy acid, brightens and rejuvenates your skin. So really, really nice. I can't wait to try that. I haven't done a mask in a while, so I can't wait to try it. All right, so those were my 4 products. I was supposed to receive 5, and I did, but the one that was broken was this. This is by Sunday Riley. So this was in my box, and I was so excited when I saw that in my preview. It's valued at $65. It's the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, and this is supposed to help fight skin damage, visibly brighten your skin, and add a dewy, luminous glow. I need a new moisturizer, and I was so excited to get this. I'm going to send them an email and see maybe if they can help me out and send me one, but if not, no big deal. I might, go to Sephora and see if I can get a little sample size of this. But all right, that was my Ipsy box for the month of June. Really great box. I'm so excited. Let me know if you do Ipsy Plus. If you do Ipsy Plus and you're a YouTuber, I can't wait to see what you've received. I love watching to see the different variations of the boxes. So I'll be watching for those. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly, truly appreciate it. I will see you all really soon in my next video.